I think this is my most favorite sari from this lot. I really like such elaborate patterns, and ये जो साड़ी है this has been inspired from तेलिया रुमाल pattern, and you can see बहुत सुंदर तरीके से किया हुआ है, and not just inspired, इस पे अपने उड़ीसा के elements भी डाले गए हैं. If you look closer, uh, these patterns that you see here, this kind of pattern that you see here, ये जो है ये उड़ीसा इक्कत में ही आपको मिलते हैं. The way the border has been done with Pasapali pattern, this is a very very integral part of Odisha Ikkat. So this is a beautiful amalgamation of two weaving traditions, I can say. तेलिया रुमाल एंड उड़ीसा इक्कत का बहुत ही सुंदर सा मिक्स है ये, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. आई एम ग्लैड दैट दिस कलर इज ऑल्सो देयर. आई हैव वन इन पिंक, इट इज कम्प्लीटली इन पिंक, और उस पर वाइट कलर पे सिमिलर वर्क हुआ है. एग्जैक्टली सेम साड़ी यू कैन से, बट कलर्स आर डिफरेंट. एंड नाउ इस पे रेड एंड ब्लैक का कॉम्बिनेशन जस्ट लुक्स वाओ. ये हमेशा ही ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड you can see how nice it looks. Very very pattern rich and amazing. बहुत ही सुंदर है. You know, if you are in love with pattern rich sarees, if you want your sarees to look very rich and grand, then definitely you can go with this combination. बहुत अच्छा है. And इसका जो पल्ला है, that is again very delicately done using Pasapali patterns. This is how I love my sarees. You know, when the weaving is inspired from different kind of techniques, different kind of weavings altogether, different kind of traditions, but it has been incorporated without losing the Odisha element. So the palla highlights the Pasapali pattern all over, and done using very delicate small sized bands. So बहुत ही smart साड़ी है. Again, this can be used for office wear as well, for events as well. If you have to host some event, you can go for this. If you have to attend a corporate event, you can wear this. If you are a doctor, you can go to your seminars wearing this sari, and you will stand out for the weaving. You will not be sometimes some saris they seek attention, but not in a way it aligns with your profession. But ikkat ki yahi beauty hai, it really aligns with whatever profession you are in. बहुत smart and बहुत ही rich look आता है इसका overall. And इसका जो पल्ला है, that is also done in pure silk. 4-ply silk में पूरी साड़ी बनी है. The palla also has only 4-ply silk, so this saree I'll be able to give you silk mark. And this is the blouse. Very smart blouse again. Blouse पे भी you will see this kind of इक्कत pattern in white, जैसे small lines हैं. Very very smart look it will give. So अगर आपको ऐसे smart sarees पसंद है, go for it. Just comment below, you will get the link. You can order from there. And again, अगर आपको कोई question है, WhatsApp पे आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं 8260607401.